Another day, another story. With EduWise Hub. Are you interested in mastering AI? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will guide you through everything you need to know about AI courses, fields, and career insights. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about AI courses. There are numerous online platforms and universities offering AI courses that cater to all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, you can find courses that suit your needs. From introductory courses that cover the basics to advanced programs that delve deep into machine learning and neural networks, the options are endless. Now, let's move on to the various fields of AI. AI is a vast field with endless opportunities. You can specialize in natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, or even AI ethics. Each field has its own unique applications and challenges, allowing you to find your niche and make a significant contribution to the AI industry. Next, let's discuss career insights in the field of AI. With the ever-growing demand for AI professionals, the career prospects are promising. From working in research labs, tech companies, or even starting your own AI startup, the possibilities are vast. Additionally, AI professionals have the opportunity to work on groundbreaking projects that can shape the future of technology. In conclusion, mastering AI is an exciting journey with endless possibilities. Whether you're pursuing a career in AI or simply interested in expanding your knowledge, AI courses and fields offer a world of opportunities. So, start exploring today and unlock your potential in the fascinating world of AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you in the next one.